In this example, we need to find the perimeter of the rectangle, and you'll notice the length and width of our rectangle are given in the forms of algebraic expressions. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we know the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. So we're going to do 2 times the length of the rectangle plus 2 times the width of the rectangle. So I'm going to label the side 4x plus 5 as the length of the rectangle, and the 3x minus 8 will be the width of the rectangle. Now, I need to remember that when I put these into my algebraic expression, I want to put parentheses around each of these expressions because I am going to be distributing the 2. So I want to make sure that I distribute the 2 to both terms of the length and to both terms of the width. So I'm going to set up a skeleton for my perimeter. So I have 2 times an empty set of parentheses, and that's where I will insert the length expression, plus 2 times the width. And so the empty parentheses, that's where I will insert the expression for the width. So in place of the length, I'm going to put 4x plus 5, and in place of the width, I'm going to put 3x minus 8. So now I need to distribute my 2. So P equals 8x plus 10 plus 6x minus 16. Now I'm ready to combine like terms. So I will combine the 8x with the plus 6x, and then the constant positive 10 will be combined with the constant negative 16. Sometimes it's nice to write the like terms next to each other before you combine. So I'm just going to rearrange the order of my expression. So it's now 8x plus 6x plus 10 minus 16. So we will combine the constants and we will combine the variable terms. So the perimeter is going to be 14x plus negative 6, and I can rewrite that as 14x minus 6. Now, we don't know what the units are. We weren't told that this was inches or centimeters or anything like that. So I'm just going to say units. And notice how I put parentheses around my final answer because it had 2 terms. So I just want to show that the whole entire expression, 14x minus 6, represents the perimeter, and whatever units that might be, inches, centimeters, feet, whatever. So 14x minus 6 units is the perimeter of this rectangle.